we blow something up? I don't think you get it, because this time it's going to be me. So I say we blow something up. Now we're talking. All right, let's get this out of here. Okay, folks, this next stunt is extremely dangerous. It does involve a lot of people, and right now I'm looking for the help of one adult. If everybody hands down so I'm done talking. No, just hands down so I'm done talking, please. Honestly, I am looking for an authority figure. What I'm hoping to find is a police officer. I'm not kidding. I truly am looking for a cop. We got one back there? Will you help me out? Sure, come on. Yeah, you're on my list too. It's okay. Thank you. Thanks for coming up. What's your name? I should have been John? Where are you on the phone? Okay. Way to go, John! Okay. Everybody, please welcome John. Let's go, John! This is what I'm looking for when I'm doing this stunt. I look for police officers, firefighters, EMTs, and anybody who has any experience in our military, and this is why. These folks take huge risks to benefit all of us. So if you wouldn't mind, kick it out for all of us. If you wouldn't mind just slipping on the safety gear. That's to protect you, and so people know you're the guy in charge. You really are. Okay? Your main job today is going to be to tell people where to go. Okay? No kidding. Think of it like being a playground monitor. Because we're going to have, it'll be like herding cats. No, really, there's going to be a lot of people up here, and I really need you to take charge. Okay. This is what I got. This is the equivalent of 2 sticks of dynamite. This is 200 black cat firecrackers. The gentleman have you duct tape to my bare chest. I'll then bounce back up on the ladder. I'll ignite them. They'll go off. It will be crazy loud. After that, you folks have the opportunity to throw water balloons at me.
Oh my God.
Hey, John, here's one. Just kind of hold your hands up like a tray. I just want you to hang on that. We'll put the tape there. We'll put the mic in it. That way you can stick it back when I need it. Finally, you know, we figured it out after a few years. So, let me explain what's going to happen here. In a few short moments, you folks are going to participate in this performance. The way to do that is come forward, you're going to pick up 2 balloons each, and you're going to step off to the sides. This is where you come in. See the seams on the side here? Okay, what we're going to do is have people stand behind those seams. The way I'd like you to do that is this. If you're 5 feet tall or less, stay up on the deck. Anybody taller than 5 feet, I want you off the deck. Okay? You don't want to be 8 feet up, you can just throw right over their heads. Okay? That's going to be true on both sides. 5 feet high on the deck. Anybody taller than that, off the deck. Also, you can stand right here, but nobody on that side, okay? And here's why. When the fireworks go off, they usually go forward. The furthest I've seen them go forward is the 4th row. No kidding, they could be coming your way. Also, that crack in the stage is not a magic barrier for keeping burning junk from landing on you. If by chance something hot does land on you, smack it out. You got balloons in your hands, don't just stand there and go, wow, it's going to be hot. Look. I've seen people do it. Like, oh, right. So do something about it. You got the balloon right there. So there's 2 rules here. First off, you stand in the right place. The second is you throw at the right time. Okay, stand in the right place makes sense. Just get out of the way. Okay? Throw at the right time is pretty hard. I finally came up with a really clever way to do it. Only I forgot the thing. Where'd I put it? Here we go. Yeah, I have learned to completely simplify this. This is what's going to happen. Everybody's going to be in position, ready to go. Okay? They're going to hold, they're going to stay right where they are. When the time comes, I'm going to light these up, they're going to go off. I'll then give you as a cue when to fly this flag. Once you fly it big like this so everybody can see it, that means let them go. Pretty simple, right? Yeah. Green means go. Okay, we can do that. So here's the thing that's going on. Gunpowder burns at something close to 1,600 degrees. I'm going to be incredibly hot. I don't only want to get wet, I need to get wet. So I am your target. Right? But John, there's a good chance you're getting wet today. Okay, so listen, for coming up and helping me, and a good chance of getting wet, first off, if you've got a phone or a camera, hand it off. Yeah, I've learned on that. I see it. Okay, but for helping me, I want you to have one of my shirts after the show. Okay, we're going to set you up with a dry shirt. Now, I got one more show after this today. Oh, by the way, has anybody seen my wife, Jana Lee? Anybody seen her show today? Yeah? Yeah? She talks a lot, doesn't she? Yeah. You know what? I haven't spoken to her in over 2 weeks. I wouldn't want to interrupt her. Now, folks, if you haven't seen her show, her name is Jane Elise. She's presenting aerial acrobatics over by the chessboard. She does trapeze and aerial silks over there. Check out her show. If you go see her, tell her I sent you. Brownie points. Anyway, after the...
Look up. Okay?
Can everybody see John back there? Yeah. And there's probably fireworks coming your way. Oh yeah. Hey folks, kids, it's going to be really loud. I recommend you count your ears. You have to loosen your hands, finger out. Okay? Okay. You didn't have to go that far. Is everybody ready? Yeah! Woo!
Look, Boo-Boo. Mike.
Everybody, my name's Dextre Tripp. I'm going to stand right down. Actually, we're going to do this way. I'm going to stand over there with the bucket. John, I want you to stand with the bucket on that side, okay? Thanks for stopping, everybody. Keep having fun.